But lately I've been leaving you and never by your side. Baby, I just wanna say I'm sorry for the lies. Even when I look into your eyes, baby girl, I'm sorry for the tears that you shed for me. When I'm out late night with my friends, homies. Even though I promised you that I'm not gonna do it again, baby. When I drink that liquor, addictions, my addictions, baby. When I get that feeling, I want sexual healing. Baby, I'm hot just like an oven. I need to love it. Baby, I can't hold it much longer. It's getting stronger and stronger. When I drink that liquor, addictions, my addictions, baby. When I get that feeling, I want sexual healing.
Baby girl, you got my back and I'm supposed to have yours. Joined at the hip, too deep to us. Picked up a new venture. It came with the game and everything with it. I didn't get addicted real fast. All the late nights and the lies that I told her. I see them tears rolling down her face. Made me realize that I made a mistake. No, give me your love, I'ma give you all mine. So sorry, girl, for all the ten lies. My addiction is where I thought you were always there by my side. Yeah, you know when I touch and caress. Yeah, you know what the pain and stress. My addiction is where